At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sotorupa. I am a student of College of Nursing, Shere-Bangla Nagar, Dhaka. I am really happy to get the opportunity to say something about my daily activities, what I do every day. Well, first of all, I generally get up from bed 6 a.m. in the morning. After that, I brush my teeth and freshen up. After brushing my teeth, I ready for praying and pray for 10 minutes. After praying, I do physical exercise. After that, I take my breakfast with my friends. After taking my breakfast, I ready for college and go to college. My college is start at 8 a.m. and finished at 2:30 p.m. I always attend all of my classes properly. After finishing my class, I come back hostel and take rest. Shortly after that, I take a bath and have a lunch. After complete my lunch, I rest for 1 hour. In the afternoon, I play some indoor games with my roommates. After that, at 6 p.m., I talk to my parents. After talking my parents, I take some snacks and start for study. Before taking dinner, I do my homework and complete my study, and then I take my dinner at 11:30 p.m. Before going to bed, I brush my teeth and in browsing internet such as Facebook, Messenger, and WhatsApp. At 11 a.m. I go to bed. That's all about me for the time being. Thank you for your listening.